In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a shared calendar in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find a shared calendar and how to display it alongside your own without chasing through extra menus. Start by launching Outlook from your desktop. Give it a moment to load, especially if it's the first time today. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into the correct account for the calendar you want to view. For work or school calendars, make sure you're using your organization's account so Outlook can pull in the right permissions and data. If extra verification pops up, just follow the prompts and you'll be right back in. Once Outlook is open, switch to the calendar area. Look to the left-hand navigation pane and click the calendar icon. It looks like a small calendar page. If your navigation pane is collapsed, you may only see icons. Hovering over them will reveal their names. Clicking the calendar icon brings you into the calendar workspace, where you can view and manage all the calendars connected to your account. On the left side, you'll see your calendar list. Look for a section labeled My Calendars. This area usually contains your primary calendar and any calendars you own or have been added to your profile directly. It's essentially your home base for calendars tied closely to your account. Shared calendars are commonly grouped either within My Calendars or in a separate section called Other Calendars, depending on how they were shared and where they're saved. To reveal what's inside, click the small drop-down arrow next to My Calendars and, if you see it, next to Other Calendars as well. These arrows expand the lists so you can browse what's available. After expanding, locate the shared calendar you want to open. Select it to display it in your main view. Outlook will either place it side by side with your own calendar or overlay it with distinct colors, making it easy to compare schedules at a glance. If the view feels crowded, you can toggle calendars on or off by selecting them again in the list. That way, you can focus on exactly what you need for the moment. If you don't immediately see the shared calendar, double-check that you're signed into the correct profile and that the calendar was shared with you in this account. Labels can vary slightly between Outlook versions, but the idea is the same. Expand the calendar sections and select the shared calendar to open it. That's all it takes to open a shared calendar in Outlook. Launch, sign in if needed, switch to calendar, expand your lists, and select the shared calendar to view it.